Hi class, my name is Scott Greer. I'm a senior and a senior citizen. I'm a disabled Vietnam era veteran, and I'm happy to be in this class. I live in Lehi, Utah, and I really like living here. Something interesting about me is I'm an artist. I have drawn all my life. I have especially looked at the children's literature art, and I like that, going through and looking at all the work that has been done on books and other things. As far as my top 10 children's books or young adult books, I'll start with of course, with The Secret Garden. It was a great book as a youth. I read that. Really enjoy reading that. Harry Potter would be my second one. My favorite character in that book would be Hagrid. I really like Hagrid. And as far as an artist, I do paint things that I really like, and one of them that I'll show you is my Harry Potter train going to Patatka. Not really. It goes into there you have that. I do that kind of art. I have 2 or 3 of those. That train goes into, of course, Hogwarts, and I really like that. I had that in my mind for about a year, and then I went ahead a few months ago and drew that up. I have another one that I have of just the castle with, of course, the Starry Nights background on it. My third book would be The Hardy Boys. As a youth, I read a lot of those. I haven't gone back and reread them. I did with my oldest son maybe 20 years ago. Nancy Drew would be my 4th book. I really like the Nancy Drew series. And Holes would be, of course, a really interesting one. I've read it. I like the book better than I do like the movie. The next one would be number 6 would be Hot Rod. It's written by a guy named Henry Felsen. It was written in 1950. And it talks about the hot rods that were built after World War II and the changing of cars. And so that book I read when I was about maybe 8 or 9. I remember reading that and having a very profound impact on my life. I am actually into hot rods also, and race cars. I've been all my life. The next one, number 7, would be Islands of the Blue Dolphin. I really like that book. Read it a couple times. I really like the struggles of the young girl on the island and being left there. The next one would be Gentle Ben. I haven't read that in a long time, but I really like that. Number 9 would be a book that was actually a condensed version before the book actually came out. It's called Once Upon an Island. It's a kind of a, not really a fiction book, but it's about a couple that retired from the LA school district and it lived on an island in the Inland Passage of British Columbia. And I actually, in 1967, took that trip and thought all the way down that passage about this couple that lived there. Number 10 would be 3 Nephi 26 and 14, where Christ is with the children. And I really like that picture. As far as what I want to get out of this class, I'm really looking forward to reading. I like to read, but there's going to be a lot of reading in this class, and I'm looking forward to it. I'm looking forward to all the comments and things that I can do to get to know you and comment on some of the things that you do, your likes and dislikes. And we'll see you through the class. Thank you.